Hi, I'm soon ready to publish my next tutorial or course here on my channel. This time I will be building a multi-vendor e-commerce website using Django. I want to show you the project we are building and then talk a little bit about the different parts of it. So here you can see the front page of the project we are building. We have a simple menu with the search and the categories and the cart button. On the front page we have a list of the newest products. And at the bottom we have buttons for becoming a vendor and also a list of the vendors. If I click view on a product, you will see a full version of the image, the title, the price and who the vendor is. There's also a little description and the possibility to add to cart. At the bottom here you will see similar products. I haven't added so many in this demo, so it's only one for now. And if I click add to cart, you'll see that I get this little toast down here. The product was added to the cart. And if I go there, you can see that this was added here. Click increment here, you'll see that it added one more here and the price incremented as well. And I could also remove it here if I wanted to. Further down, you need to fill in the contact information for the user. And at the bottom here I have a simple Stripe integration, which is the payment gateway we are using in this project. And we check out, all of the vendors who have products here will be notified, and also the customer will get a simple receipt via email. If I go down here, click become vendor, you will see a simple sign up form, but I already have an account, so I can sign into it. And here you will see the name of the vendor. Here you can see the balance that I have now and how much money I have been paid earlier. I can edit the vendor and I can log out. Down here you will see all of the products that I have and I have a possibility to add more products. At the bottom here you will see a list of the orders I have with contact information for the customer and also the products that are mine. And you can see here that this has not been paid by the Interiorshop yet. And that's basically it. I'm going to split this project into 3 different parts. The first part is authentication for the vendors, all of the setup, make it possible to add products and also view them. The second part is implementing all of the cart functionality and then Stripe as the payment gateway. And then the third part is deployment to a live server. Here I will be using Nginx on a Ubuntu server with the Gunicorn and PostgreSQL and similar. The tech stack for this project will of course be Django, and I want to be using Bulma CSS for the front end. You can use Bootstrap if you want, but there's a few differences here and there. Also, some of this project requires a little bit of JavaScript, but I won't be using a framework like Vue or React. If this sounds like an interesting project, please click like below and leave a comment if you have any questions. I hope that you want to follow along. And if you want notification when I start publishing the different parts, you need to subscribe to my channel and also remember to click the bell. See you in the next video.